Um, how do kids pick up languages so fast? In my last video, I mentioned about Indian kids, and my son was not really happy with it. He was like, "Why are you only talking about Indian kids? You can just talk about kids worldwide, right?" And I was like, "Yes, thank you, Agastya." I just thought it was worth mentioning. Okay, so how do kids learn faster? Pick up faster than adults? Well, there is a very good technique that the kids use unknowingly, and which we adults have kind of forgotten it, or over the years we forget it. And the thing is that they are a clean slate. They are like, a sponge where you throw them in water and they will absorb. You throw lemons at them, they will for sure make lemonade. No, lemonade is what adults make. I think so. If we throw lemons at kids, we can't even imagine what the kids can come up with, because they are creative. They do not believe that okay, lemons equals to lemonade. They might make a nimbu ka achar. They might just squeeze the lime into their food. They might just take the lemon peel and make something out of it. Sky is the limit. So I would say, don't just associate certain things with something. Kids learn faster because they are not afraid to make mistakes. Whereas we are mostly worried, what will people think? We are worried that, oh my God, what is it? I can't recollect. I can't remember. Oh my God, what was that? We get into all of that fear. We are mostly worried that, oh my God, if we are ashamed to make mistakes. I think that is something that we as adults can learn from children, because children are not afraid to make mistakes. They are a clean slate. And when we are learning anything, for that matter, not just languages, but for languages, it is extremely important, even more important, to have a clean slate. And when we have like a clean board with us and we start learning something, the process is automatically faster. What happens is, if we already go with our inhibitions, we already go with our thoughts, and we already, sit there thinking that, okay, I know that A is this and B is this, and we just have those formulas and those things set in our mind. If that is the case, then things go slower. So the approach should always be like children, like kids. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Have a clean slate with you, clean frame of mind, so that you don't waste time to unlearn. But if it is going to be difficult for you, then the clean slate thing, then please first unlearn and then start learning. And one very, very, very important thing is, whatever you have learned, obviously you need to implement it. But initially, again, we are scared to implement it, So the best way to do what we can do is learn songs. And I think that's the best way. Why do you think we teach our children as babies, as toddlers, as they are growing up, so many songs? Obviously, there is a reason behind it, a toddler singing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, or maybe Jack and Jill went up the hill. They are not really understanding that hill is a noun and Jack, Jill is a proper noun. All those things, what's a verb? They are not getting into that. What they are simply understanding is Jack and Jill went up the hill, and they are able to associate and visualize and picturize that, okay, there's this boy Jack and there's this girl Jill. They both are climbing up the hill. They are able to visualize it. So when we are learning a language, we need this strength. Kids have these superpowers, and we need to learn from them, and we need to absorb these superpowers within us to learn a language. So go for it. And like I always say, anyone can learn a language, and everyone must learn a language. Hakuna Matata.